Okay, now that the ES6 detour is over, we get to focus on hooking up behavior to the login component. We need to find a way to access the values that are being typed into the text boxes over here, so that we can record it in our state for later use. The text input component has a property called onChangeText, which we can set with a function that it calls every time the value of the text box is updated. For now, let's plug in a function that just writes it to the log. We add the binding braces as usual, and then add an ES6 style arrow function in here, which takes one parameter. We'll call it text. Then we just log the value to the console. I want to quickly show you in the developer tools what happens when we change the value. There we go, our function is successfully hooked up. Now that I've shown you how to hook up a function to the event, let's do something useful with it, instead of just logging to the console. With React, when you want to change the state of a component, we use the setState function, which expects an object literal with keys and values that should be set on the component state. This is how React knows that these values changed, and that it should apply any resultant changes to the view. We duplicate this event handler on the password field and adapt it to set it on state with the correct key.